Choosing the right outfits can be a struggle, because choosing the right outfit isn't just about throwing something on. It's about making a statement, expressing your personality, and understanding the intricate details that come together in the world of fashion. Today, we're unleashing the secrets to creating show-stopping outfits that not only turn heads but also speak volumes about your unique style and personality. Get ready to dive deep into the art of fashion and unveil the magic that happens when you master the intricacies of outfit selection. From deciphering your body type to unraveling the psychology of colors, we're leaving no fashion stone unturned. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a thrilling fashion journey that will revolutionize the way you approach your wardrobe. Let's jump in. Number 1. Assess your body type. Understanding your body type is like having a personalized fashion roadmap. Each of us is beautifully unique in our proportions, and recognizing your body type is the first step in selecting outfits that highlight your best features. If you have an hourglass figure, characterized by well-balanced proportions with a defined waist, consider garments that accentuate your waistline, such as wrap dresses or high-waisted bottoms. These will emphasize your curves and create an alluring silhouette. For pear-shaped individuals with wider hips and a smaller upper body, A-line skirts and dresses can help balance your silhouette by drawing attention away from your hips and towards your upper body. Apple-shaped individuals often have a fuller midsection. Opt for outfits that create a sense of balance, such as empire waist dresses or tops that emphasize the bust while skimming over the midsection. Rectangle-shaped bodies have fairly equal proportions. Experiment with tailored styles to create curves and definition, or explore outfits with details like belts or peplum tops. And remember, your body is not made to be perfect, so embrace your body as it's the canvas of your unique beauty. Number 2. Consider the occasion. The occasion plays a pivotal role in determining your outfit. Every event has its own unique atmosphere, and your outfit should harmonize with it. Casual gatherings offer more flexibility. Here, comfort is key. So, go for something simple and comfortable, like a t-shirt and some jeans. In professional settings, your outfit reflects your competence and authority. Choose outfits like a well-tailored suit. For school, find outfits that make you feel confident and are comfortable. Or for those who wear uniforms, make sure your uniform is properly ironed and tailored to fit you properly. Number 3. Dive into color theory. Color theory is the science behind the combinations that make colors work together. It's essential to understand these principles to create outfits that are visually appealing. Complementary colors, which are opposite each other on the color wheel, create high-contrast, eye-catching combinations. For instance, red and green or blue and orange can create a striking visual impact when used strategically in your outfit. Analogous colors, which sit adjacent to each other on the color wheel, provide a harmonious and soothing effect. Combining blue and purple or red and orange can create a balanced and pleasing color palette in your attire. Triadic color schemes involve selecting 3 equidistant colors on the color wheel. For example, you might choose yellow, blue, and red. When executed properly, this approach can create a vibrant and well-balanced outfit. Number 4. Embrace the psychology of colors. Colors are not just visually pleasing, they also evoke emotions. Red is all about passion, energy, and love. When you're feeling bold and daring, incorporating red into your outfit celebrates your lively spirit. Blue exudes calm and trustworthiness. When you want to communicate reliability and serenity, adding blue to your ensemble is a fantastic choice. Yellow radiates optimism and joy. Infuse your outfit with yellow to express your sunny disposition. Green is associated with nature, harmony, and growth. Incorporating shades of green, such as emerald or mint, into your outfit can convey a sense of tranquility and freshness. Black is timeless and exudes sophistication. When you're looking for a classic, sleek outfit that also celebrates your chic style. Number 5. Dressing according to your height. Height plays a significant role in how clothing styles and patterns appear on your body. Here are some examples of how to dress according to your height. If you're on the shorter side, vertical patterns, such as pinstripes or vertical stripes, can create the illusion of height by drawing the eye upward. High-waisted pants or skirts can also make your legs appear longer. Taller individuals can play with horizontal patterns to break up their height visually. Mix and match clothing proportions, like pairing a crop top with wide-leg trousers, to balance their stature. Number 6. Prioritize comfort and fit. Comfort and fit are the keys to feeling good in your skin. Choose fabrics that not only look great but also feel amazing against your skin. For hot summer days, light and breathable materials like cotton or linen can be your best friends. In colder seasons, cozy up in wool or cashmere. Well-fitted clothing celebrates your body and enhances your overall look. You should feel like $1,000,000 in your clothes. Tailored pieces or adjustable clothing items can make your outfit look like it was made just for you. Dress to feel confident and comfortable in your body. When you feel at ease, your outfit will naturally exude self-confidence. Number 7. Discover your unique signature style. Nowadays, there are so many aesthetics and fashion styles to pick. From Y2K aesthetic to e-girl aesthetic to coquette aesthetic to Sanriocore aesthetic. It's now your choice to choose which style you are more comfortable and connected to. Number 8. Master the art of accessorizing. Accessories are the finishing touches that can elevate your outfit from ordinary to extraordinary. So the first tip is to keep it simple. Always remember the golden rule of accessorizing, which is less is often more. Be strategic in your choices, aiming to enhance your outfit rather than overwhelm it. Experiment with statement jewelry, scarves, hats, and bags to add a personal and unique touch to your ensemble. Number 9. Let your outfit reflect your personality. Unapologetically, your outfit is your canvas, your self-expression. Start by understanding your own personality. What words or qualities describe you? Are you bold, creative, fun-loving, elegant, or adventurous? Knowing this will help guide your fashion choices. Another thing is to combine clothing items in unexpected ways. Don't be afraid to mix patterns or pair pieces that might not seem like an obvious match. It can show off your creativity. Also, if your cultural heritage is a significant part of your identity, incorporate elements of it into your wardrobe. It's a great way to showcase your roots and individuality. And also, don't feel pressured to follow fashion trends if they don't align with your style or personality. Be willing to go against the grain and wear what feels right for you. And there you have it, our epic journey through the fashion cosmos. By mastering these outfit selection techniques, you're not just getting dressed, you're crafting your own style symphony. But remember, fashion is all about having fun and expressing your unique personality. So go ahead, mix those patterns, unleash the power of colors, and experiment like a fashion maverick. And hey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more sartorial adventures. We'll be here, ready to explore the runway of life with you. Until then, stay fabulous and keep rocking those killer outfits.